The 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, cruise control, floor mats, universal garage door opener, climate control, rear defrost, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.